Action.
Good morning. How are you all? Doing well? Okay. Hope you all enjoyed yesterday's exclamatory words. Did you use any words yesterday? Like when daddy came back home, did he say yippee? Or when he said something, let's go out and have some fun, did he say hooray? Okay, so good. I'm very happy that you are watching all the videos. I saw the views. Many of you have seen it and keep seeing it repeatedly. Okay, it's very nice. It's like reading a book, right? So you go through that video again and again, and whenever you want to use those words, go ahead, freely use those words. Okay? Yay! You can say such words are there, no? There are more exclamatory words in it. I just read out few from there. So when you come back to school, you can see the remaining in it. Okay? Okay. Today we are going to do sensorial activity. Okay? In sensorial activity, this is your shelf, right? Your sensorial shelf. And I am going to show you smell bottles. Okay? M2 children know the smell bottles, right? But M1 children do not know what to smell bottles. Okay? I will show you the smell bottles. Come, take a close look. If you remember, we had arranged these bottles blue in one line and yellow in the other line. Correct? And then when we open the lid, we get these another lid. We are not supposed to open this lid. Okay? This always remains there. What do? I ask you to smell from this bottle. Correct? You have to smell from this bottle and take in what smell comes here, and next you have to find out the same smell from here. Will it be this? No. Will it be this? No. Will it be this? Yes. If you think this is the smell, you confirm. You check one more time. Smell both of it. If they are same, you keep them together. Remember to close the lid, and then you are going to continue. Now what do? You take the next one. Smell it. Close it. Now search for this smell, okay? It has to be somewhere in the yellow line. So this is how we do the activity. Okay? But now you can't do this at home. So I am going to give you a tip. For this I will need your parents' help. Okay? So what you have to do for this is, I need just 2 bottles like this. It should not be transparent. Covered ஆதான் இருக்கணும். Closed இருக்கணும். என்ன இருக்குன்னா யாருக்குமே தெரியக்கூடாது. Okay? And salt and pepper jar will be enough. They always come as a pair. No? So I just need 1 pair. இவ்வளோ எல்லாம் வேண்டாம். 1 pair. You must be having it at home. If it's not there, just buy it. Just 1 pair. And then I want the parents to, give them 2 smells, because right now they don't know, they can't pair it, right? If you can get 2 pairs, well and good, they can do pairing. But if you can just manage with 1 pair, I'll tell you what to do. Here the child is taking in a smell, and they are going to give out the name which you will be introducing to them. It can be any smell. Now the child has to take that sensory input of smell without the help of vision. That is why I am telling it shouldn't be transparent. Okay? Like for example, it can be coffee beans, or it can be spices like cloves, or let's say cinnamon, or elaichi, the cardamom, or it can be even more floral fragrances like rose petals, or it can be even let's say jasmine, flowers like jasmine, or even things like camphor, karpuram. It gives out a very, very unique smell. So what I want you to do is, in case you have just 2 at home, you give 2 contrast smells. Don't give 2 spices. Don't give like that. Let one be a spice and the other one be a flower. So let them take in the smell. Jasmine. cardamom. So like that way, the whole day or this whole week, or let's say maybe 2 days also is more than enough. Let them taking the smell of cardamom and jasmine. The next day when they wake up, you can give them a surprise by changing something else. It can be a coffee bean or it can be a camphor. Let them taking the smell. Let them smell again and again and find out what is it. Is it a camphor? Is it a... And you give the name. This way the child will learn to distinct between smells also. Like for example, in spices, although sometimes you mix up all the spices and keep, so it all gives out one combined smell, but we want the child to take each smell differently and give a name for it. For example, the smell of a clove has to be different from the cardamom. The smell of the cardamom has to be different from yet another spice. So you can add any other spice into it, or even vanilla beans if you have, you can put it into it. Let them take in the smell. So end of, let's say if you have a target of about 10 smells you want to give, you spread it over some 10 to 15 days. Let them find out, and then one day you give them a test by simply asking them smell and find out, smell and find out. It will be very nice, because right now they are in a very sensory, very advanced stage of taking sensory inputs. Now is the time that you should really introduce all these smells to them and give them the name, the exact name of that. If it is a star anise seed, please say star anise seed. They will be star anise. So they will be able to when they come across the, later you can show them what is inside much later, okay, after they have identified, let's say about after 2 days you can open and then show it to them what is lying inside. Ipo enakku idhula irukkiradhu is perungayam, okay, asafoetida. It has a very distinct smell. So like that, the child will be in a surprise also every time. What's there for me tomorrow? What tomorrow mommy is going to put into the smell bottles. So it will be so much of fun for them to learn a name having taken the sensory input. I hope you will do this with your child. It will be so much fun for you and the child. Okay, see you again in another video. Until then, bye bye.